All right, my YouTube fam, this is a little special thing that I'm doing over here because I always end up buying every year a special, you can say special, a special shoe for Halloween. I look back, because I'm probably gonna get some of the Halloween shoes that came out this year, but this year I want to do it more of a tradition. I buy the new shoe, a shoe that people haven't seen in a long time or haven't even heard of. And well, guys, just to get to the point, these were a little bit up there. I'll put the price at the end, but they're damn well worth it. I already know well, it's not that I still haven't seen them. This is the first time I ever see these shoes in hand. And let's see what we got. Run my intro and we'll get to it immediately, baby. Halloween special. Yes. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health, wealth, prosperity, and all good things, guys. And yes, they're right here. I know. It's weird. It's around the unit area, but that's the whole point of Halloween. It's creepy. That was kind of creepy. Don't get me wrong. You know what I'm saying? I might even edit that out. You know what I'm saying? That just creeped me out. Anyways, guys. have fun. It's all a joke, guys. It's all a joke. Guys. You see what I mean? Automatically, bro. It's automatic. It's only a joke, man. Guys. Yes, I have to, guys. Unboxing Massive Cleaver. You know how this works already. And I'm going to do this as a first look unboxing. And of course, I am going to give you the full review. Let's check this out. I'm actually very excited for these guys. I'm not even going to lie to you. I don't even know. Am I cutting this? Yes, I am cutting it. Let's see what we got here, guys. Man, I'm very excited for this. Today I was hanging out with a youngin', as funny as this sounds. I love these guys because we could converse. And I was hanging out with my youngest son. Yeah, guys, I have a 17-year-old and my youngest, that's actually 7. He actually, guys, once you have children in your life, your whole life changes already. You know what I'm saying? That's why I left a lot of the things that I did in my life back in the days. And it is what it is. Dedicate yourself to family at this time. And somebody came up to me and said, man, yo, bro, I only wish, man, my girl would let me dress up with wrestling gear and stuff like that. Whoa, my brother, I'm sorry. You just got the wrong chick around you. It is what it is. I'll be honest with you. You understand? When someone loves someone else, I don't know why I'm saying this, but maybe somebody wants to hear it. If you love someone else and somebody really accepts you for who you really are and they love you, you be however you want. You dress however you want. You buy whatever you want. And first and foremost, nobody knows your struggles in life. You be who you are. People worry too much about what others think. You know what I'm saying? Guys, if you think a lot, this is a quote that somebody told me. The more you think that people are thinking about you and talking about you is when it's least actually happening. Come on, man. We all know the grand liar is your mind. You know how that works. This is the whole point. I don't know. Maybe I just said that message there. Maybe somebody maybe somebody had to hear that. I don't know. Guys, there's more to life than just shoes. You know what I'm saying? So that's the way I'm going to take my channel, give advice, say whatever's in my heart, and it is what it is. But it is time for these bad boys right here. You guys are ready for this? Yes. Simple box. And of course, this is the first time I ever see this. I'm going to show you right there the QR code because I'm going to be saying, excuse me. I'm going to be saying everything that's going on. And then when I'm done, I'll just record it for you guys so you guys can see it up close in person. So right here, Nike Air Max 97, black flash crimson, and here we go again. Black flash crimson. I gotta see. Where's the crimson in this? Wait till you guys see this. Wait, you probably saw it already. No, actually, I'm not gonna put it in the thumbnail. I'm gonna trick you guys a little bit now. Let's see. Like I said, guys. Wow, so far, man. Woo! Yes, guys, I got these from eBay. Yo, look at this. Right there, baby. Oh my God. Yo, these 97s are out of control. Yes, guys, these came out for Halloween. Check them out, man. Check them out, bro. That purple suede. Man, look at this beauty, guys. Now, I'm telling you one thing, man. This is a Halloween shoe right there, bro. This is a Halloween shoe. And by the way, just so you guys can know, yes, this is glow in the dark. The whole sole is glow in the dark. I'll show you guys now in just a little bit. Well, guys, of course, like this is more of an undestocking, first look, first everything. I'm gonna start it off with that tote box, of course. And well, the tote box is just one big giant piece all the way to the end. But it's nice, man. You guys see that triple layer right there? You know, the one with the little piping in the top right there. Actually, it has double layer of piping. The smooth leather right under that, like limeish green. That one is more like that's a patent leather, guys. You see that the lime green right on top of that purple? That's actually patent leather. The suede, on point, bro. On point. Tremendous. Wow, I really like this, man. You know, this is really nice. This eBay tag, wow, man, this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Yeah. You know why I did that right now? Because everybody, Primo, man, it's very hard for me to hear you say you don't like a shoe. Guys, I love shoes. I've always said it. The weirdest obsession in the world. This is weird, and it's just weird. It is what it is. Let's be realistic. It's weird. You know how many other things you could spend your money on? But it is what it is. I'm realistic about it. And it's just beautiful. Even the eBay thing here is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Even though I think the one I'm showing you on the screen is not the one with the eBay tag, you know? I'm not going to be putting that on the screen, bro. That's just ridiculous. Yeah. So anyways, let's get back into these bad boys. Man, this is nice. Check out the whole top of the shoe, man. This is nice, dude. Very, very nice. That's all 3M, guys. That's all 3M all the way to the top. You know, all blacked out. I really like this very much. Check out the top. Check out right there the little embroidering. You know, I guess that's where the crimson is at right there. You know, the crimson. There's not even one word of purple in that whole box and the name. No, the box. Wait, let me look at it again. This is exactly. Look at all the colors that this thing has, and it's black, flash, crimson. Yeah, exactly. So much details. You know, I've been looking at. Never mind. I'm not even gonna put it. Let's get back to it. So yeah, check that out, man. Very, very nice. And you see the slime, man, right under that Nike patch. I call it a patch. To me, it's, you know, it's like a tab. You can call it. You know, it's not a pull tab. I guess it's just a little Nike tab. Look at the slime, the details on it. Right on top, obviously, guys. Air Max 97 style. Little pull tab for the tongue. Very nice, man. Check out the side, man. Look at the side of this shoe, bro. How beautiful, man. That lime green patent leather all the way to the back. You guys see right there the slime with the black underlay. You know, that black underlay, by the way, guys, is canvas. Now that I'm looking at it right here, it's actually canvas. It's not mesh, it's canvas, bro. And it has the slime in the top. I don't know if that slime actually glows, dude. You know, that's actually a pretty damn good question. I gotta check it out. I know the sole does. You know, as a matter of fact, you know what? Give me 1 second. Let me see if all that slime glows. I'm actually intrigued by this.
1 hour later.
Yo, it actually does. It actually does. Check out the sole. Yeah. Sorry for the quality, guys, but hey, I'm just trying to get you the little info. You know what I'm saying? Try to light it up there as much as possible. Fresh. And the top too. Fresh, bro. Yo, I'm dead ass about what I'm about to tell you. I just straight up forgot about the shoe and everything. I just did the recording. I went straight to Dunkin' Donuts. Dead ass, dude. You know, I need some coffee in my life, bro. Yeah, tastes good. Dunkin' is good, man. I like Dunkin'. You know what I'm saying? America runs on Dunkin'. I think I said that correctly. I don't know. You need me to sponsor? You know what I'm saying? You want to sponsor the Primoskickz over here? I got you, dog. You know what I'm saying? Trust me, ain't nobody more dope than nobody dope as me. I dress so fresh. So fresh and so clean. Yes. All right. Let's get back to it. So yes, guys, it does glow. How badass, bro. That is awesome, man. Awesome, man. You see right there the slime dripping in the back, like towards the heel area. Man, that is so dope, man. So cool. All the way in the back, guys. Check it out. Air Max. You know, I guess that's where the crimson is at. The mystical crimson. Oh, let's check out the inside of the shoe, man. I actually didn't check out the inside of the shoe. Ooh, very nice. Look at that. Oh, lime green. That's slime green. Let's call it slime green. I like it. I'm gonna make my own names. Nike does. You know, with that fluorescent. I like the word fluorescent red. Yeah, very nice. Check out the tip of the shoelaces, bro. I should have checked this out, man. If this glowed, I don't know if it did, but I just realized it. Very nice. I love it. The whole air bubble is the same color as the sole of the shoe. Wow, man. You know, that double color right there. You know what I'm saying? The split with the black in the top. That green in the bottom. Man, what a beautiful shoe, man. I'm so glad. This is well worth the damn money. I'll tell you that. Check out the sole of the shoe. Yeah, man. Very, very nice. Very, very, very nice, bro. You know, obviously, I got to do the on foot, see how it checks out. But, man, this is nice, bro. This is really nice. With the black right there in the middle. Very nice with the little fluorescent red. You know, I like it, man. I like it a lot. What hell of a purchase, bro. One hell of a purchase. Of course, the box feels like so mundane. So mundane. Like, they gotta give me better presentation than this. Honestly. Dead ass, bro. Give me a second. Very nice. I like it, man. I like it a lot. I like this a lot, bro. Now, do I have the accessories for it? Do I have the accessories for it? Guys, that's actually going to be on the next video. But let's check out these shoes on foot. Very, very nice. Just in case you guys don't have Air Max 97s. In my case, I always go half a size up on Air Max 97s, guys. I always do. You could go true to size. No big deal. It is what it is. But in my case, I go half a size up for the simple fact that I like, you know, to me, they feel snug. I don't know if you guys have had the same issue. Of course, best bet is always to try it out yourself. Swag, come on, bro. This is year round. This is year round. You know how crazy this is to rock these shoes right here in the middle of summer? People will be like, damn, bro, what the hell are those? Yeah. Guys, I wear my shoes any day of the week, any season, it doesn't matter. Even though there is, certain shoes that are better for certain seasons than not. But it is what it is, guys. This is badass, bro. This is badass. One hell of a purchase. Well worth the money. And just in case you guys are actually interested, I'm going to leave the link. But yes, right there, guys. So it's not crazy. It's not a crazy amount or anything like that. But it is a little bit above retail. Just in case you guys actually want. So there you guys have it. The Halloween pickup. And I don't know if I have the time, guys, to show you the rest of the pickups that I got. If anything, I'll just leave it for next year, and I'll do, instead of Halloween week, I'll probably do a Halloween month. Remember, guys, this is the first time I actually do the Halloween week. I'm going into my second year of YouTube. That, by the way, once again, thank you guys so much for the support. 25,000 plus subscribers. I can't complain, man. I cannot complain whatsoever. Even collaborations with companies. I can't even complain. I cannot complain. I love you guys, man. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. For real. You guys are the shiznit. That's how I'm going to put it. I'm going to put it like that, guys. Thank you so much. Till next time, everybody. I love you all. And I'm always wishing you the best. Peace. El Cohete Halloween edition.